So y'all, this is a homework question from the review for the final. And so one of our classmates asked if I could go through this problem, and I'm happy to do so. So look, let's do part A, y'all. Part A says, can we find f plus g of 2? Okay, so y'all, the way we're going to do this, we're going to first find f of 2. We're then going to find g of 2, and we're going to add those numbers together. So just as a reminder, y'all, what it means to find f of 2. So if I look here, y'all, f is my blue function, right? And then, let me see if I can get like a pink type thing here. Boom, let's try this guy. And g happens to be kind of like the pinkish one, okay? So when we're looking for something like f of 2, what f of 2 tells me is, let's go to the x-axis when x is equal to 2, and let's go up until we hit the function f. And when we hit the function f, y'all, what we're looking for is the y value. That number happens to be 4. Plus, now, y'all, I'm going to repeat that same, let me get my eraser here. I'm going to repeat that same process, okay? Come back to 2, and I'm going to go up until I hit the function g. The g is the pink one. So, y'all, when I do that and I come right here, boom, that looks like that number is 3. So now we're going to add them because we had a plus right here, so we're going to add those. That's going to give me 7, okay? All right, y'all, I'm going to repeat this process for part B. Part B says, can we find f minus g of 1? Again, what that means is we want to find f of 1, we want to find g of 1, and we're going to subtract them, okay? So, y'all, I'm going to come back to my picture again, but now I'm going to go to when x is equal to 1. And I'm going to go up until I hit the function f, which is the blue one. Y'all, the y value that I'm getting there is the number 1, okay? Minus, okay? I'm going to repeat that same process. I'm going to come here to 1, and I'm going to go up until I hit my function g, and that number is 2, and 1 minus 2, y'all, should give me a negative 1, okay? Alrighty, let's now do part C. Part C says, can we find f times g of 0? Okay, so let's do this, y'all. Let's clean this up. Okay, we're now going to go to 0, and we want to hit the f function, right? Y'all, we're already hitting the graph right there. That means that that number is 0. If I come back to 0 and I go up and I hit the function g, that's going to be 1, and 0 times 1 is still going to give me 0, okay? Alrighty, let me clean this mess up, and let's do the last part, part D. Part D says, can we find f divided by g of 1? So what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to find f of 1, I'm going to find g of 1, and I'm going to divide those out. Okay, so let's do this again. I'm going to get my red pen. Okay, here we are at 1. When I go up to hit the function f, y'all, we're coming up with the number 1, okay? Let's repeat that process, but for g, so I'm going to go here to 1, I'm going to go up, and I'm hitting 2, so my answer is 1 over 2. So for part A, I have 7. For part B, I got negative 1. For part C, I got 0. And for part D, I have 1/2, okay? Hope this helps. Good luck, y'all.